This is the 44-inch Hunter Stratford 2 ceiling fan. It's the latest one in my collection, which is by Hunter. Just to make the pull chains, kind of style them a little bit, I have these Harbor Breeze pull chains on them. So here it is with light kits. It's got some LED bulbs in it that work very well. That's the other side of the blades. Labels right there. Made in Thailand. Not better than the Chinese rip-offs made today. And here it is with the low speed. It says the medium oak side facing down. It's a switch cable for right there. Mess of screws there, some blades there, rubber isolators, which I'm not using in this case. It's just gonna complicate how poor right side of the canopy is. And here it is on medium speed. I think just a little heads up, probably going to be restarting my musical edition series. The proper resolution and 60 frames a second. We'll still have the old ones. Those will just be kind of outdated. This thing is shaking. Medium speed. I don't know if you can even see that. Sorry if you can't hear me too well, it's the stinking wind. I know I shouldn't really have this out here, but I do it for the last few times. I'll actually put that one up for winter. Here it is on high speed. Because of the wind, or if it's the blades out of whack, or that stupid hook in that canopy there. Doesn't seem to wobble too bad. Thinking that canopy stops, end quote, wobbling, making the fan wobble like such a dumb idiot. Well, anyways, that is it. Hope you all enjoyed, and go ahead and probably flip the blades on this fan. I'll do videos with this fan without the light kit. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video of this one. Make the wind go away. So sick and tired of this stupid wind.